Stop looking for a job. Seriously. Jobs won't make you rich, and in a few seconds, I'll tell you exactly what will. Most people spend years searching for jobs, applying, waiting, hoping for a small paycheck. But let me ask you something. Do you really want to depend on someone else for your income forever? Keep watching because, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a proven way to start making money without relying on a job, and the best part. You don't need a degree, experience, or even a boss. Let's be honest, the job market is tough. You send out 100+ applications and barely get a response. If you do get hired, you work 40+ hours a week just to cover bills. And even if you're a great employee, layoffs can happen anytime. So, what's the alternative? Instead of wasting months searching for a job, imagine using that time to learn a skill that makes you money forever. The richest people don't rely on jobs, they rely on skills that make them money. Let me break it down for you. These are some high-income skills that people are using right now to make 6 and even 7 figures. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions by promoting products. Video editing, brands and creators pay big for high-quality videos. Copywriting, companies need people who can sell with words. Digital marketing, every business needs help getting customers online. Coding and web development, tech skills are always in demand. These skills don't require a degree. They just require action. But wait, I'm about to show you exactly how to start today, so keep watching. Listen, I used to believe the only way to make money was to get a job. But once I discovered affiliate marketing and online business, my entire mindset changed. I started small, learning everything I could, and within months, I was making money online. Without a boss, without a 9-to-5, and without limits. And here's the best part. If I could do it, so can you. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually start? Here's a simple 3-step plan to start making money without a job. Step 1. Pick one high-income skill. Don't overthink it. Step 2. Learn for free. Use YouTube, free courses, or books. Step 3. Start offering your skills as a freelancer or build your own business. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. And here's the biggest secret. The people who take action today will be the ones making money in the next few months. Now, you have 2 choices. Ignore this video and keep looking for jobs, hoping for a different result. Take action today and start learning a skill that will pay you for life. If you're serious about making money online, drop a comment below and tell me which skill you're going to start learning. I'll be reading every comment and giving advice. Then don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications because in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built my first source of passive income online. See you in the next video. Your future self will thank you.